Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create agency dashboards in Wix. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account and open your Wix Studio workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the Sites page, which serves as the main dashboard for managing all of your client websites and projects. If you haven't created a workspace yet, click on your workspace name at the top of the screen and choose Create Workspace. Give your workspace a name that represents your agency or business, then complete the setup process. Once your workspace is ready, start adding your client projects by clicking Create New Site or by transferring existing websites into your workspace if needed. This keeps all of your client projects organized in one place. Next, customize your agency dashboard by inviting your team members. Click Invite People, enter their email addresses, and assign the appropriate roles and permissions. This allows designers, developers, marketers, or project managers to collaborate while controlling what each person can access. From the left-hand menu, you can quickly switch between your sites, client projects, contacts, billing information, and other workspace tools. As your agency grows, this dashboard becomes the central place for managing your entire business. And that's it. You've successfully created an agency dashboard in Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.